fenugreek seed overnight. I made this for myself because I want to use it for myself.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy. If you are the type of person that you find it difficult to regrow your hair back, the remedy I'm going to be showing you today, it will help you to gain your hair or to regrow your hair. This remedy is high in protein. Our hair needs a protein, and so therefore the remedy today is going to be benefit for your hair. So the first ingredients we are going to be using, a fenugreek. We all know all the benefits of fenugreek. You have to have a good fenugreek. So in today's video, we're going to be using the fenugreek. You can get this in the Indian shop or Asian store. Okay guys, so the fenugreek seeds have a high protein and nicotinic acid content, which helps prevent hair fall and dandruff, and in treating a variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness, and hair thinning. It contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. So that is why I chose to use this. So you have to soak this. It has to be overnight. I've already made the one that I really want to use. I only need the water of the fenugreek. Okay guys, so we only need the water, so it has to be overnight. So the amount I have here that I've already soaked is only 1 teaspoon. Okay, you soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek overnight, and the water is going to change to gold color. You can see it yourself. So we need this water to spray this water on our hair. So I'm going to be showing you how you're going to do your own. So we need tablespoon of fenugreek, and we're gonna soak it overnight, and we only need the water, and that will last for a month until you get all the nutrients from the fenugreek himself. So you have to be topping up the water every day. So I do this 3 times in a week. So you add a 1 cup of water. So you add a glass of water, 1 glass of water. Okay, so this 1 glass of water will last you at least for 2-3 days. It depends the condition of your hair. So you want to add this with this. So I've already have the one I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to prepare my own. So you need 1 glass of water. So I'm going to transfer it to this bottle. So I normally spray it on my hair. Okay guys, so I only need the water. So guys, as you can see, the water is turned into gold, and we only need the water, and this will last you for months and months on. The water itself change to white, and you can throw the fenugreek away. So I'm going to be keeping this in my fridge. and I continue to use the water to spray. If you are the type of person, you can use it to detangle your hair, to strengthen, to maintain your hair, to fuller your hair, and it will make your hair grow faster. If you have an alopecia, continuously using this. So consistency is the key, guys. I know I'm going to make a mess, that is why I decided to use a tray. So because the phenolic have a funny smell, so guys, I'm going to be using tea tree as well, because tea trees help the blood flow. And don't know if you got too much light here. So I'm going to be using tea tree oil, because tea tree oil improve blood flow and allow nutrients to reach hair follicle, balance the pH level of the scalp, and stimulates the hair growth cycle to give you a headful and strong healthy hair. So that is the reason why I'm going to be using tea tree. Okay, I hope you guys will be able to see the tea tree. I don't know how to do so guys, I don't know, it's so funny. So guys, we are going to be using tea tree. So it's a pity that we can't see the tea tree. So we're going to be using tea tree oil. Okay guys, so I'm going to be drop 3 drop. So we need it for the phenolic water. 1 2 3. So you need up to 5 to 10. Tea tree is very strong, you can smell it straight away. And I'm going to be add lavender to give a fragrance. So lavender as well it promotes the hair growth as well. It's very good for our hair. It regulates the blood flow and stimulates, and we add volume to your hair. All these oils, they are very good to your hair. So I'm going to add to give my phenolic water a good smell. So you can just add 2 drops or 1 drop, because they are all very strong. They have a lovely smell. So you're going to be apply it to your hair roots. And as well, if you want to detangle your hair, you can use it as well to detangle your hair, especially whenever you want to plait your hair or your daughter's hair. You can see it's turned to gold. At times going on, when you keep applying water, it's going to turn to white, and you can throw the phenolic seed away. So I normally use like this to the edge of my hair. And if you want to do your hair mask, you can mix different oil to your hair scalp with phenolic and leave it to 30 minutes and rinse it after 30 minutes. But if you want to be just carry your hair every day, or you want to plait your hair, or you can be apply this to the roots of your hair. You spray it to the roots of your hair, and you walk and you massage the root to the scalp. So please guys, give it a go. You can see the color is golden color. This is the color. So leave it overnight and start using it. You can leave it on your head for 30 minutes and rinse it, or you can just leave it. Like me, I never rinse it. I just spray it, because sometimes when you know guys, when you wake up in the morning, it's like our hair is like a human being. you want to go and bath. So what I used to do, my hair or my scalp, I spray this. Our scalp needs water, so you have to water your hair. It's like a flower. In the morning when you wake up, you want to go to work or you want to go for jogging or to the gym, spray the roots of your hair with phenolic water. Just spray. I don't know what is going on with this one. So just give it a spray and massage it every day until the water turns to white. It's going to be, just leave it in the fridge. So as you are going to work, you wake up in the morning, you want to maintain your hair scalp, you want to maintain your hair, you don't want your hair to be break again, you don't want to be your hair to be falling again. So just spray your hair. Even though if you have a braid, like my daughter have a braid, I used to spray it around my daughter hair, my daughter braid. It gives my daughter a stimulation that the hair needs. It will make your hair shine. It's like you put an oil, so you massage it around the braid as well. You massage it, you put it all around the hair. And because you've already applied apply lavender oil, and it will not smell horrible. So guys, we all have to take care of our hair. So some people, if you wake up in the morning, definitely you have to spray a water to the root of your hair if you really like your hair, because sometimes some people have a dry hair. If you have a dry scalp, you have to spray a little bit of water to your hair. So instead of plain water, just get a phenolic with tea tree oil and lavender and spray it every morning when you are going to work. Okay, so spray it and massage it. Just give it give it a go for 1 week. You will see, you will start seeing another hair. You will start seeing a new hair in your hair. So when you wake up in the morning, spray this. If you have a braid, spray it around your braid and massage your scalp with the finger. Massage, and you will get a new grow. Your hair will gain another grow. So give it a go and let me know, guys, what you think. Overnight phenolic, you only need the water, and apply tea tree oil and lavender for a best result. And keep doing it maybe 3 times a day. Like me, I do it almost every day. When I wake up, I'm going to the gym or work, I just spray. I go to the fridge, you spray it, you spray the water to the hair scalp, and you go, and within 1 week you will see a new hair coming out from your hair. Give it a go, guys, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will help you. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button. I need a good comment, thumbs up, continue to share my video. Thank you so much, guys, and stay blessed. Bye for now.